These lemurs are getting high off millipedes. What do you think?
The millipedes use dangerous secretions, including cyanide, as a defense. But the lemurs still chew on them, albeit extremely cautiously. The toxins cause the lemurs to salivate. They then rub both the saliva and the millipede into their fur. They use it as an insecticide to ward off insects such as mosquitoes that carry malaria. But they are suspiciously enthusiastic about the whole process. It seems they don't just work as an insect repellent. The chemicals also appear to send them into a trance-like state. A condition of complete intoxication.